why your morning routine is ruining your confidence, and here is how you can fix that. Are you ruining your confidence the moment you wake up? Probably yes, because what is the first thing you do when you wake up? You go to social media, you go to TikTok, you go to Instagram, or whatever platform you're using, and you are doom scrolling the moment you wake up. And before you know it, you see everybody's highlights, you see everybody reels and stories, and you didn't even have to brush your teeth yet. So your brain is flooded with everybody's else's and strangers' information. You didn't even think about yourself in the moment. Most people don't even realize that they're ruining the confidence the moment that they wake up. And it's not about changing your whole entire lifestyle and waking up at 6 a.m., have a cold shower, read 600 pages of a self-help book. No. It's about tweaking the little things in life that your morning gets better and your confidence gets boosted and you don't feel like shit all day. And I'm gonna show you how you can do that. So, first things first, ditch social media. I mean, delete it. No, you don't have to delete it. Although, if you have really low self esteem, I should suggest you to delete social media. But I will be a hypocrite if I advise you that because I'm using social media myself. But don't use social media first 30 minutes that you wake up. Leave it on airplane mode. Do some things for yourself first, like have a coffee for yourself, and then you can use your phone. But don't use your phone the moment you open it and use social media. Like, do you really want your first thought to be, oh, why does Karen have better apps than me? No, neither does I. Did you know that even research shows that if you open social media the first minute that you wake up, it spikes your anxiety levels so hard that it's even more than a double espresso? So leave it on airplane mode, do something for yourself, and then you can do whatever you want. Step two is move your body. And I'm not saying that you have to wake up at 6 a.m. and do a whole CrossFit routine. No, just stretch, move your body, go for a walk or whatever. Do something to let your body know, hey, I'm not dying, I'm waking up. And you feel more energized and your mood will improve. And if you're living with somebody, that person will be grateful for me too. But just move your body the moment you wake up. It doesn't need to be a whole routine. Just have a 5-minute stretch and you feel much more energized. So the last step is set an intention. I am all about setting intention in life because I noticed that once I'm setting an intention or a goal, it's giving you more direction in your life. And it's just nice to set an intention instead of giving yourself a hardcore goal and you're not reaching that if it's not something you're good at. So set an intention. For example, set an intention that you're gonna smash your workout or that you're gonna have a good meeting. You don't have to wake up and have a million to-do lists. That's not, you have chaos before you even have breakfast. No, just write down one intention you have for the day or write down the tasks that are priority and go for it. Because you don't have to save the world hunger in one day. And that's it. Ditch your phone, ditch social media in the morning, move your body and set an intention for the day. It's not that hard. We're not climbing Mount Everest here. We're just having little tweaks in your lifestyle. So here's a challenge. Do these things tomorrow morning. Come back to this video and let me know what you think about it and how it makes you feel. Comment down below this video. And you know what? If it's not working, you always can go back to Instagram and scroll till you're scared and cried and feel like shit. But I don't think you're gonna do that. So smash the day and go for it.